In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, here's the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in. We accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Hospitality is superb. We are description. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking the